if you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to enhance your gameplay experience. Step 1. Check for updates. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Open the game launcher and look for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Remove custom content. Custom content and mods can sometimes cause loading issues. Move your mods folder to the desktop and try launching the game without it. If the game loads successfully, you may need to update or remove problematic mods. Step 3. Clear cache files. Clearing cache files can help resolve loading issues. Navigate to the Sims 4 folder in your documents, find the cache files, and delete them. Restart the game to see if the loading screen issue is resolved. Step 4. Repair the game. Use the game launcher to repair your installation. Right-click on the Sims 4 in your game library and select Repair. This process will fix any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen to freeze. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering your graphics settings can improve game performance. Go to the Game Options menu, select Graphics, and reduce the settings. This can help the game load more smoothly, especially on lower-end systems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in The Sims 4. Enjoy your gameplay.